Hello everybody, my name is Mika Seppälä. I work at the University of Helsinki and at the Florida State University in Tallahassee, Florida. I'm here to report SAVI projects which center around the WEB's World Educational Portals project. First of all, there is the NSF project Assessment and Effective Teaching of Calculus. PI of this project is Anthony Eamon Kelly. I am a PI of sub-award of this project. This project runs from September 1, 2012 to August 31, 2013. It will organize 2 meetings and edit proceedings based on these talks given at these meetings. The first meeting already took place in Helsinki in October 11 to 13, 2012. Here you see the participants of the Helsinki meeting preparing for the reception by Vice Rector of the University of Helsinki. The second meeting takes place in Tallahassee, Florida, March 14 to 16, 2013. Those wishing to attend that meeting should submit papers in this EasyChair system for the conference SAVI 2013. More details about submission will follow. The meeting will first convene at Florida State University, and then on Saturday, March 16, we will move to the Wakalla Springs Lodge, which you see here. And this is a truly wonderful place nearby Tallahassee, Florida. It offers a good venue for informal discussions and group working. We are going to use the conference room that you see in this picture on the left bottom, and then in the end of the day those who gave bad talks will be fed to the alligators using these boats. The Academy of Finland project has the same title as the NSF project, Assessment and Effective Teaching of Calculus. I am the PI of that project. Co-PI is Hannele Niemi. This project is active from January 1st, 2013 to the end of the year 2014. So it's a 2-year project. It will implement the innovations of the NSF project into the WEB's service. Here you see current website of the WEB's service. We have ongoing courses, several ongoing courses that students can take for credit. There's a Texas A&M courses, University of Helsinki courses, Florida State. Florida State is now offering oceanography besides mathematics using the WEB's service. The WEB's family of universities using the service has grown from 12, that was last June when we first met in Washington DC at the Finnish Embassy. We now have 17 universities using WEB's services. WEB's Calculus courses in English are Calculus 1, Calculus 2, and Advanced Calculus. Advanced Calculus is proof-based. Calculus 1 and Calculus 2 are courses which correspond to the standard US Calculus courses. WEB's will offer online all the math courses required by mathematics teacher education at the University of Helsinki by fall 2014. This is a little bit ambitious goal, and it requires that we get the necessary funding to make this happen. WEB's course components are videos, PDF files, discussion forums, and then the most valuable components, automatically created quizzes, which give good feedback and support to students, and then peer-reviewed workshops. Peer-reviewed workshops can be used in any instruction, and they really work wonders in my view. Students will submit solutions to a given set of problems by a certain date, and once the submission date has passed, students will be shown a model solution to this and then required to grade the submissions of 5 other students. When they do that, they have to learn to master these problems thoroughly. Much more than in the ordinary way of taking exercises. Students solve exercises, and once they have written some solutions, they will not take a second look at those. Here they now are required to do that because they have to grade the solutions of other students, and in the end we will grade the grading of students. And the grading of students will happen automatically. We assume that the average grade is good, and those students who graded work of others so that their grading was far off the average that this particular student got, their grading is deemed to be bad. This means that WEB's courses scale very well. Everything here is automatic and does not require instructor intervention, except discussion forums, of course. There the instructor will monitor those and answer questions and act accordingly. These WEB's courses yield University of Helsinki credits. Anybody can take these courses for credit. You don't need to be a student at the University of Helsinki. These University of Helsinki courses will be offered in spring, summer and fall semesters. So all courses, Calculus 1, Calculus 2, Advanced Calculus and also Logic will be offered 3 times a year. This is a significant enhancement to the service offered to the students because traditionally, before now, these courses were offered only once a year. Now they can be offered 3 times a year because they require significantly less resources, instructor resources, than traditional courses. Tuition to take Calculus 1 for credit, for example, is 80 euros, plus international service and examination fees. This totals to about 400 euros for Calculus 1. This is significantly less than the tuition at a typical US universities. At the Concordia University's chain, the tuition for Calculus 1 typically varies, depending on the status of the student, between $1,400 and $5,000. When taking online from the University of Helsinki, students pay $400, so this is just a fraction of the cost that Concordia University charges. And Concordia University, just like most other universities, will accept transfer credit from institutes like the University of Helsinki. So, we are going to catch big fishes. Welcome to join the WEB's team. This is a photo that I took Sunday week ago in St. George Island near Tallahassee, Florida. Thank you for your attention. My name is Mika Seppälä. I can be reached by email at mika.k.seppala@gmail.com.